again to hellohnclothing. Welcome to another wonderful video. Guys, in this video we're going to be showing up all the patterns we created in our previous tutorial, necklines that we have not touched up on this channel. So if you have not seen that video, here is the link here to watch the video so that you can come back and see all of these beautiful necklines in full display. And to make this very interesting, I've gathered the fabrics I have in my fabric stash. We're going to be using it to create every single one of these designs. Okay, so if this is something you're interested in seeing, please do keep on watching. And by the way, you can always catch me up on my social media. My Instagram page is on here. I don't even say that, but I just put it here. And give me a thumbs up. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe to this channel. Once you're getting value on here, do not forget to subscribe. Let us begin. Alright guys, so the first neckline we're going to be looking at is the COWL neckline. I have this beautiful fabric. We are going to be folding our fabric into two. Let me measure the length of this fabric. So from the beginning to the end, I have about 25 inches, which is just perfect for me. Okay, so I get my pattern, place it right here. Okay, so we have a little here that we're going to be using. This part up here will be used for the facing that will fall on the fabric, the facing rather. So let me fold this properly so that I don't have so much excess. Alright guys, so I'm extending the pattern, I'm extending on my fabric to a proper blouse length. If I was going to leave it this way, it's going to be a crop cowl bodice. But I'm not leaving it on my half length. You know, half length would be like a crop one. So I'm extending it. Great, so I have this and then I have this. Please make sure this front, this center front here is cut on fold, okay? It's cut on fold. And now we can just quickly join it up on the side and you'll see it in just a minute. Join it armhole to armhole. Oh wow, this is way longer, so I'll have to trim. Armhole to armhole and then shoulders. I'll show you the joining process. Let's go over to the sewing machine. Alright guys, so I'm sewing that zipper area closed. This is a cowl neck. You don't need a zipper in a cowl neck because the neck is already wide to enter and come out. And I'm sewing that shaping so that the back will still be snatched on the inside. I hope you get the gist. So I'm sewing that 1 inch. It's now properly sewn. Open it up. You want to even iron that place. Iron it. Open up this part and iron it. Okay, that's what you should do. Then we take this front, remove the pin. We're going to match it side seam to side seam for the back. So take one of the side seams, match it up here and sew it to that bottom. This fabric is a bit stretchy, so my sewing allowance, I did not even really put sewing allowance on it. Okay, but if you're not using a fabric that is flowy or stretchy or anything like this, make sure you put your sewing allowance. Okay, so sew the other side. Take the side seam, front side seam to back side seam, match it up, sew it close. Now that it has been joined, I'm taking this part. You know, I notched this part. This one will be like the facing on the inside. Okay, so we take this, match it up to the shoulder. Match up the shoulder seams now. You can put the shoulder there and use this part to cover it. Do you understand what I did now? Use that facing part to cover it so that it's enclosed, sort of. And then you sew it. So do the same for the other side. This is the shoulder of the back. Match it up from the shoulder in front. Match it up this way. Okay, and then when you get to this part, use the facing area. Match it up onto here. Then use the facing area to cover it up this way. I hope you get the gist. Let me know if you have any question. Okay, so here we have it. Good. So you see the cowl up there. For this part, you can use a bias or just do a rolled hem at the top and hem the bottom. If you need sleeve in your cowl bodice, put your sleeve. If you're going to be leaving it armless, then use a bias to turn the inside, okay, and the bottom. Yeah, so let's move over to the next style.